This is the brief on understanding the Silent Mammoth device. So, lots of people have questions about the Silent Mammoth, right? Like, how does it work? How does it actually fit? Well, this brief is going to break down its design and how you use it, basically helping you breathe easier. All right, first things first. Let's look at how this Silent Mammoth thing is actually built. You've got this part you hold on to, right? That's the bit you see when it's in place. Then, there are these little anchor points, kind of small, that sit right inside the tip of your nose, just to keep it snug. And then, the bigger parts, the wings, they're what gently push outward inside your nose. Second, how does it actually help you breathe? And can you adjust it? Well, those wings we talked about, they're key. They basically stop your nostrils from caving in when you breathe in. Makes a big difference, yeah? And it is adjustable. Since it's made of wire, you can bend those wings out if you want more air, or kind of bend them in for a comfier fit, especially if one side feels different. And finally, putting it in. Super simple. Just grab it by the holding part, point those little anchors up towards your nose. Then just kind of rotate it back into place. Give it a little wiggle to make sure it feels right, and boom, it's in. So yeah, that's the quick rundown on what the Silent Mammoth does, how it works, and how to pop it in.